Hey guys, today we are going to be doing some Halloween makeup. I'm really excited. This one is partly inspired by, let me just find her name. Oh, I screenshotted it on my laptop actually. It's Abby Strohmeyer or something like that. I will link her below. But pretty much I want to do like a brain look, like an exposed brain, you know, so that's what we're doing. You'll notice that I already have my eyes and stuff done just because they're not important to this part of the thing. But anyway, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So first I'm going to like kind of put the line where my brain is going to be. I'm just gonna take some gauze for this, and I'm just kind of gonna like, might have to chop them in half so they're a little bit thinner. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my liquid latex and I'm just gonna draw the line. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so I probably want it like that, I guess. So now I will take my gauze, I'll kind of like that. Okay, so now that they're there, I'm just gonna take some more liquid latex and just use that to like stick them down. And I might have to cut it. Like this end is a little bit too long. Alright, let's stick it down. So I'm gonna do mine a little bit differently than Abby has done hers. She has just kind of drawn the brain, like just drawn it, whereas I want to make mine a little bit more textured. So I'm going to use some more gauze and liquid latex to do that. I want mine to be kind of like chunky. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I need to like, I don't really want to look at a brain, but I might just go like drawing, because I don't really want to see a real brain. I just don't really know like where to even start. Right, I'm going to I might just take my liquid liner, I guess, and just draw some like it's kind of like random, but I don't really know how else to draw it. Like, that'll do, I think. So basically what I'm going to do is wherever the lines are, I'm not going to put the gauze, I'm going to put the gauze in between the lines, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is just chop up tiny little pieces of gauze and stick them in between the lines pretty much. This will probably take me a while, so I'm probably just going to speed this part up and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I got. I know it looks crazy, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a, we're gonna prime. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Dew You primer in the shade Radiant Nude. And then I'm just gonna put my foundation on as normal. Oh no, I've got liquid latex on my hand. Now I have it on my face. Oops. Actually, I might just blend it in with my sponge. Okay, for foundation today, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way one. Mine is in the shade Porcelain, which is not porcelain, let me tell you. But anyway, I've had this since I started makeup. This was like the first foundation I bought. So it's coming up to 3 years old, so probably needs to go soon. But I'm just not one to part ways with my makeup. I'm sure you guys know that. But I'm just going to blend it just over the edge of this. I don't need to go over all of it because I'm going to paint it a different colour. So it just needs to go over the edge of the brain. And yes, I know it doesn't match me. Not my fault that Too Faced think that this is porcelain, okay? This is not porcelain. Guys, it actually, I feel like it's coming out, like running out, but it still seems like it's full, but it's starting to be hard to get stuff out of the actual pump, you know? So we can leave that there. Oops, I have liquid latex on my sponge. I mean, I knew it was gonna happen, but I did it anyway. So I guess it's my own fault, but still. Hello. Oh, hang on. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye. Sorry guys, my dad just called, but I didn't want my foundation to set, so I just used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is just like the normal one. This one is in the shade Light, and then I used the Too Faced Born This Way loose setting powder and the Born This Way pressed powder. So now we're going to move on to the brain part. Or should we do, actually let's do bronzer and stuff first, just to get it out of the way. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to take the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and I'm going to take the Sun Honey shade, and I'm just going to use that to bronze. And I think I'll take the Pink Sand shade and just put on a little bit of that. This is just a blush. And then last I'll take the Starlight highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to take my Marron palette, and this one has the light pink and the beach berry shade in it, and I'm going to mix them together, so the pink and the red, to make like a kind of red pink shade. Okay, so I'm going to start by like painting this on. I really need it to be a bit more red. So we've got something like that. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, if I can find one. And I'm going to go just into the red. I might mix a bit of black in there too, to make it like a deeper red shade. And we're going to put that on those lines. Just gonna try and find them. Okay, I feel like something like that will do. I feel like that kind of looks like a brain, doesn't it? And then we're gonna go in with the fake blood. And use that next. Alright, so I'm just going to do the fake blood through where we just drew those lines. And then we need to put some like along here as well. On the edge. Oh my god, special effects are just so messy. I just spilled fake blood on my desk. It's so hard to get off. It's gonna be there forever. Alright, and then I'm gonna take my little Fenty sponge. Okay, I think this should be the finished look. Let me put my hair down. which I'm scared about, but why is it like that? Okay, but this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!